It was a bit crowded here at JavaOne, but I got a chance to look at a couple of neat new technologies. The first platform is from Eclipse. It's called Kura, and it's based on OSGi. It's a Java-based framework. And it uses MQTT for the Internet of Things. The MQTT platform is called Payoh, and it allows it to communicate a device running the OSGi gateway and applications that run on that to communicate with a server on the cloud. This platform was obviously built on Eclipse OSGi, but it came from a lot of work done by Eurotech. And they have a framework which is a superset of Kura called the ESF. What that does is it adds a number of other protocols and applications that are not found in the base. For example, Modbus is a standard control mechanism that's in use. If you want to have a gateway for that that's running on this ESF platform, they have a plugin for that. They also have a nice management system that is over and above the standard Kura support. Now, the small platform can actually run on something like a Raspberry Pi or even down on a microcontroller. There's a version called Eclipse Concierge. This is going to be a very small footprint OSGi platform that can still be running Java-based applications. There were some fun things at the show as well. Aldebaran Robotics had their Neo robot. This is a humanoid robot that's actually programmed internally in Python, but it has APIs so that you can customize it, and it will support Python, C++, and of course, Java. It does a pretty good job dancing as well. One class of platforms out there that has cropped up is something called an in-memory data grid. This is actually sort of a caching system. Tays Grid is one that is available, and it's designed to have a replicating client, and it supports Java and .NET frameworks. And it uses a publish-subscribe type mechanism that allows you to essentially share the resources and the information across a wide range of processors within the environment. Of course, there are other server-side Java-based platforms from JBoss to Tomcat and Tommy. But I saw another one out there called Vaden, V-A-A-D-I-N. It's a server-side Java-based framework. The thing that's a little bit different about this is that it has a Java-based client that uses AJAX to communicate with your application that's written on the server. And it essentially does all your calculations and whatnot on the server and does the presentation through this client. It's kind of neat because essentially all of your application development is now essentially targeted on the server only, but you do have a client-server type application that has a lot of flexibility and power. Very responsive. For more of what we saw at JavaOne, check out the links.